In this video, we will learn how to insert danger symbol in Microsoft Word document like the danger symbol I have already inserted in my document. So let's start. Okay, as we already know, every symbol is inserted via a specific code in Microsoft Word document. The code for inserting danger sign is 1F571, and after writing this code you have to select it and then press Alt X. Okay, so just select it and press Alt X. Your code will be changed into danger sign. And by default, danger sign in Microsoft Word document is black in color. And if you want to change the sign of danger, you can change it from here. You can make it red. You can see that it's changed to red now. And you can change into blue, green, or any color from this color scheme as per your requirement. I can make it red for your utilization, and its size can be increased as well using this button, and then its size can be decreased as per your requirement to be utilizing Microsoft. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for